Hey, you awesome laugh seekers! Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we celebrate the most absurd construction moments on the planet. We've scoured every corner of the web to find clips so hilarious you'll think the crew swapped their tools for prank kits. From epic bloopers to machinery pulling stunts, we've got perspective, got it covered. New videos every day, so subscribe, share your own worksite tales, and let's build some laughs.
I tried doing house chores but failed. Stand-up comedy. This site does both perfectly. And to be serious, these laughs say otherwise. This site. Conventional method, indeed. Unconventional method, indeed. Random shot from a comedy movie. By this genius. This is an unconventional method, indeed. These funny moments say otherwise. Definitely the symbol of funny construction. These funny moments say otherwise. Me of when I tried doing house chores but failed. And to be serious, these laughs say otherwise.
Hey, you fun seekers! So tell me, didn't those construction clips have you in stitches? Were my worksite gestures making you cackle so loud you scared your dog into hiding? Don't bolt yet. The next moments are gonna be funnier than a bulldozer doing a stand-up routine. Expect epic fails and tools with a flair for the dramatic. Ditch us now, and you'll regret it like forgetting your lines in a comedy show. Ha! Subscribe, share your reactions, and let's keep the Laughter Foundation strong.
This site answers both. These workers should learn stand-up comedy. This site. This is an unconventional method, indeed. This site does both perfectly. You want to write a script for comedy about construction? Construction can be a funny art form. Design, right? Genius. For comedy about construction?
That's it for now, legends. Hope you laughed till you hiccuped. Thanks for watching. Catch you at 7 p.m. daily. Later.